Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis, August 16th kana analysis. Nifty, Bank Nifty followed by Fin Nifty. Market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base everyday live trading session we are doing at 10 o'clock in the morning. So where we are discussing the market profile learning for index and for stocks as well. So before getting into the index, பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து CPI inflation data of US வந்து release ஆயிடுச்சு. So almost பாத்தீங்கன்னா which was expected ஒரு CPI inflation data was expected and it was released. So getting into the next important thing of Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா whatever the zone in index in common நம்ம வந்து score for in our video whatever we have discussed in Nifty, in Bank Nifty as well as in Fin Nifty and the zone எல்லாமே perfect respect ஆயிருக்கு. So far it has respected and it has took a support system. It has find exactly the support system whatever we have discussed previously in our YouTube videos. நம்ம என்னெல்லாம் வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு லெவல்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து டியூ டு த ரெஃபரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல் நிறைய மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைலோட ஹிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்திருந்தது. Previous time we found so many hints, so many analysis based on market profile. Based on that we form an analysis for support system எல்லாமே வந்து it was perfectly worked out. So let's get into the detailed analysis of Nifty first. So on last working day பாத்தீங்கன்னா market வந்து was open exactly on the selling single print. So market don't have the buying pressure to continue. So market வந்து almost வந்து ஒரு range market create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Exactly it was the range market inside the level of IB. IB ஓட levels குள்ள தான் market அன்னைக்கு வந்து close ஆயிருக்கு. And if you see the perfect support system which Nifty took on the last day is 2400 zone. So this was the zone almost வந்து இந்த zone வந்து we have been seeing from the beginning how important the zone was. So if you see beginning onwards பாத்தீங்கன்னா the 2400 zone வந்து it was acting as a very good level of support system. So even after many time OTF sellers வந்தா கூட marketல even after many times OTF sellers வந்தா கூட marketல இதுவரையுமே வந்து this level is protecting above the zone of 24,000 பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2400. This is a perfect support system. So market on the last working day if you see this was actually taken on recent times பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8th of August and then the prior day 13th of August and the last working day 14th of August. Again market took a support system from A period onwards. A period லே வந்து find பண்ணிருக்காங்க initial balance period லே. So market found a support somewhere in the zone of 2400. Then market tried to go above but it don't have the buying pressure. Obviously அது வந்து ஒரு range market create பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க and it was a peacock. So we know when there is a selling single print obviously the sellers are sitting there. So obviously எந்த இடத்துல அவங்க sellers வந்து find பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா 24200 which is again we know very important level of support system for Nifty prior times which is exactly now acting as a resistance. So the logic is very simple. So we have been following the levels so far and we have been tracking the index based on the market profile reference மூலியமா நம்ம வந்து everyday analysis நம்ம வந்து form பண்றோம். And everyday analysis we try to form the best level for support and best level for resistance. So how the market profile helped us so far வந்து if you have been continuously watching this video or if you have been continuously getting participation in the live நம்ம பண்றதுல வந்து இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா then it would have been very easier because இது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு so far we have been discussing this level that is 2400 which is a very support zone for Nifty and if this level breaks then the further support will also be based on the basic reference of market profile. So market என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா first level initial level லே they have taken a good support and market is forming a range market on the last working day. So if at all on the next working day நாளைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா market இந்த peacock create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. It is not POC. So from this level of 24,180 to 200 if at all market tries to go upside then obviously பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,250 could be a better zone of resistance because already when the market has placed poor high on the zone. So 250 on the zone when the could be a bet 230 to 250 anywhere it could resist. So this could be a first and the immediate level of resistance for Nifty as well. In a poor high place பண்ணிருக்காங்க and we know the importance of poor high also. So on crossing this level definitely our acceptance is required and also moving upside this could be a POC rejection. So on the level of 24,350 zone வந்து ஒரு POC rejection வந்து place பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. In case if this goes upside again 400 to 450, because both way if you see the POC as well as the poor high. So 400 to 450 anywhere Nifty could face rejection. That is anywhere the sellers will be at this level. So the Nifty on upside pathina, it is very clear. That is on the last working day poor high and the immediate POC, and then the poor high and POC of the very recent times 13th August of. So if at all Nifty comes down, so if at all market வந்து இந்த லெவலுக்கு POC க்கு கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா market வந்து 2400 could act as a good level of buying support இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. So further இந்த லெவலையும் break பண்ணி market கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா then there is a chance of every chance to find a support in the zone of 24,000 to 23,900, which is a most important zone for Nifty to take any kind of support immediately after this 24,100 breakdown ஆகுது அப்படின்னா, because it's a very important zone where market is trying to protect the இதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty was almost protected to above the level of 2400. So this is the base zone which has been created first, and then the market is trying to receive the support at the level of 2400 itself. So if this level breaks, then obviously this could be the second chance to get a proper support, that is 23,900 to 24,000. So if at all market breaks this level, because it's an important level which has been created on the date of 27th June, POC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and this POC has worked very well because last time if you see the POC வந்து untested POC இருந்திருக்கு. So this was an untested POC which has been created on the date of 27th June, and 27th June ல create பண்ண ஒரு POC வந்து after so long time, even the market வந்து bullish இருந்தது அப்படின்றதுனால market went very high. But after 27th June, if you see market when it is falling actually on the date of 5th of August, it was perfectly taking support in the zone. So this how the POC works. So POC is not for intraday only, it is definitely for the upcoming days also. So every POC, everything created in market profile is definitely for a reason. And if you see the recent times, it has took a support. After it has taken a support, the market is trying to go upside only. So that is the power of this POC. That POC comes at the level of 23,900 to 24,000, because Nifty stays above 24,000. So for a longer time. So that is the reason the balance has been created in that level. So below the zone, you also find the single print where the buying support can be expected. If at all 24,000 ல 23,900 break பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, further they could get any kind of support in the buying support zone of 23,800. So this is almost வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty could take any kind of support in the buying single print where the buyers வந்து active இருக்காங்களா அப்படின்றத we can also check here. So this is all about the upside and downside of Nifty. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty பாத்தீங்கன்னா prior days பாத்தீங்கன்னா selling single print place பண்ணிருக்காங்க, market opened above. So selling excess form பண்ணிருக்காங்க, POC வந்து intraday ல resistance ஆக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு selling single print வச்சு market closed below. The last working day பாத்தீங்கன்னா again market is having a selling excess, and market almost opened almost in the range of closing of previous day, and it was having a B-shape profile. So the B-shape profile வந்து உங்களுக்கு மேல வந்து நல்ல ஒரு selling வந்து initiate பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market is not ready to go upside because it has clearly stated that beginning of the period the sellers are here in the market. So market is not allowing the price to go higher. So obviously வந்து price என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, கீழ தான் அவங்க வந்து balance பண்ணிருக்காங்க. That is why PPOC has been created at the bottom. That is the PPOC has been created. If you see the zone of 50,000 to 49,960 அந்த zoneல வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 49,960 அந்த zoneல வந்து உங்களுக்கு PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க with a B-shape profile. And if you see very clearly, market has taken support in the level of 49,900. which was the prior time. We have been referring this level for a longer time, because if the market comes below 50,000, which is a psychological number, as well as market வந்து as well as market வந்து many times it has taken the level as reference, it has taken the level as support. If you see on this day 5th of August, market has taken this level as buying excess, and the buying complete excess of form பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So that excess was used again on the next immediate day 6th of August. Market has taken the level of support from 49,900 onwards. So 900 zone la வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and next day also it has took a support exactly on the zone of reference, and then market went. So அங்கேயும் வந்து market வந்து complete high வந்து போயிட்டே இருக்காங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் market found a stop because it is having a selling excess, which we also followed on the immediate day. So market found a stop here. So obviously இந்த இடத்துல அவங்க வந்து find பண்ணக்கூடிய support system பாத்தீங்கன்னா below 50,000 there is a immediate support system is 49,900 to 850 zone, where they actually got on the last working day compared to these days. Many days reference நம்ம வந்து follow பண்ணிருக்கோம். These 3 days are continuously acting the reference level வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market was respecting the level on the last working day also, and it has properly took a support. But market don't have the buying pressure to go upside. So obviously அந்த இடத்துல வந்து selling excess form பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So if at all from PPOC market வந்து நாளைக்கு வந்து மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா, obviously the selling excess will be a definitely ஒரு resistance இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. And 50,000 above 50,120 ல இருந்து 50,300 வரையும் anywhere it could resist, because the sellers are always sitting in the selling tail. So the immediate rejection may happen at this level. So ஒரு initial ஒரு resistance ஆவாது அவங்க ஆக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. So after this level immediately there is a selling single print. Again it was one more resistance. So 50,400 is again one more resistance, and above this level obviously 50,500, because it is a POC which has been created for a reason to resist the upcoming days increase in Bank Nifty. That is, this POC has been created with a double confirmation of selling single print, and also the closure happens at the bottom. So this day POC is much more important to see. That is 50,500 is a very important zone to see. Above this also, that is above the selling excess, there is a selling single print and there is a POC rejection. And also the above POC, the both POCs may act as a resistance, at least an initial time லையாவது ஒரு resistance create பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு, because these 2 days POC is the reason to stop the upcoming activity. ஏன்னா இந்த POC அவங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா stop பண்ணிருக்காங்க, then it has created a selling excess, and then one more POC which has been stopped the price increase, and then selling single print, and then one more selling excess. So every POC, every selling single print in Bank Nifty created from the date of 12th August is definitely for a reason, and this has worked well. So இது வந்து ஒரு இடமா உங்க மேல வரும்போது obviously initial resistance act ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. So above every level in Bank Nifty upside வந்து definitely the price acceptance is required. So and on below side பாத்தீங்கன்னா obviously 50,000 க்கு கீழ வந்து market may found a support. That is on last working day பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was only 49,900 to 850. Anywhere it could find a support, because it was a recent time support where Bank Nifty வந்து அந்த லெவல வந்து நிறைய சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டம் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க, and we also expected the minor stop could be here அப்படின்றது. So perfectா அந்த ஸ்டாப் வந்து ரியாக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. If at all Bank Nifty break this level and then comes down, then obviously this is an important reference, that is 49,650 to 700, because many times the poor low has been created, and also if you see the POC also been created at this level. So 49,600 to 49,650 to 700, anywhere it could take a support. So 49,600 to 650 and 49,500, which is a very important zone to see. So these are the basic support and resistance for Bank Nifty as well. ஸோ ஃபின் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்தவரையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so this day selling excess and then followed by selling single print and then followed by closure at the bottom, and next day what happens, market exactly formed below the selling single print where it is telling like the selling single print itself is a rejection, itself is a zone of rejection. So market வந்து அந்த balanced market தான் அவங்களால create பண்ண முடியுது. They don't have the buying pressure, so obviously they placed poor high, they could not go upside because there is a clear selling single print create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market is having a D-shaped profile with a PPOC and a volume factor associated with a level of 22,700. And if you see the recent support which has been taken in the Fin Nifty is last few times, நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல வந்து நிறைய வாட்டி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணது என்னன்னா 22,600. That is an immediate support zone for Nifty if the Nifty comes below 750 to 700 zone. Fin Nifty comes below the zone of 22,750 to 700 zone. இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு ஜோனுக்கு கீழே வராங்க அப்படின்னா obviously they could find Fin Nifty has the very good level of support at the level of 22,600 அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So it also worked on this day, that is on 6th of August, and also the prior times it also worked very well. So on the reference la we have checked on 6th of August, again it has taken a support and that was worked well, but market adukapram pathina it was completely on upside. So when it is coming down, we also expected this level to rework as a support. So correct ah and edutha vandu support system find pannirukanga, that is 22,600 where the buying excess placed pannirukanga. If you see a very small buying excess placed on this level, and then market was completely reversed in the level in the market was trying to come upside, but it could not go upside because it is having a clear selling single print on top of it and the zone away அவங்க create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So obviously the buying support has been taken in the perfect level which we have expected Fin Nifty to take at 22,600 could be an initial level of support இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருந்தோம். So it worked very well. So market if at all is trying to come below the above the POC PPOC மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா, then obviously the selling single print could act as an immediate resistance. It is not a selling single print alone, because if you see this level itself, this whole level is a zone. So ஏன்னா poor high அவங்க create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Totally 700 to 800 anywhere Fin Nifty could get rejection because they do have poor high, they do have selling single print, and definitely இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு price acceptance is required. And top of it பாத்தீங்கன்னா at the level of 860 to 900, obviously they face resistance because it's a POC rejection, and this POC has been created for a reason to resist the next day price increase in Fin Nifty and keep the market as a balanced market by having a selling single print on top of the next day. So next day oda top la வந்து அந்த selling single print place பண்றதுக்கு வந்து in this POC has been a reason. So this POC could be a rejection zone, that is 860 to 900, and obviously on top of it they do have selling excess which is again one more resistance, that is 23,000, which is a psychological number, and 23,150. So these are the resistance of Fin Nifty. Both supports and resistance are also been shared. ஸோ ஒரு இடமும் அவங்க வந்து சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டம் நம்ம வந்து மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைலில் பெஸ்ட்டாக வந்து என்னென்ன மாதிரியான ரெஃபரன்சஸ் இருக்கோ அதை நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ சம்டைம்ஸ் அந்த இனிஷியல் சப்போர்ட்டாக ஒர்க் ஆகும், சம்டைம்ஸ் ஒரு த்ரூ அவுட் த டேவும் அந்த இடத்துல அவங்க சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டம் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரியான சப்போர்ட் அண்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபார் ஆல் தி இண்டெக்ஸ் we have seen today. So if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel so that it can also go to the next person. Thank you so much, but kindly do your analysis before you do trade for trading or for investment. And thank you so much. Thanks for your time.